Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter multiple columns in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to narrow down information based on several criteria at once, making your data analysis much more efficient. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to apply multiple column filters. This opens up your Google Sheets file and displays all your data in a grid format. Make sure you're working with the correct spreadsheet before proceeding to the next step. Now here's where we set up the foundation for filtering. You need to select the multiple columns that you want to filter. Click and drag to highlight all the relevant columns, or you can click on the first column header and then hold Shift while clicking the last column header to select a range. Once your columns are selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Data from the drop-down menu that appears. Click on Create a Filter. This action enables filtering capabilities across your selected columns. After creating the filter, you'll notice that small filter icons appear beside each column header. These icons are your gateway to customizing how you view your data. Let's start with the first column. Click on the filter icon next to your column. For example, let's say it's a month column. Once the filter menu opens, click on Filter by Condition. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with various condition options. Click on this drop-down and select Date as After. Then in the input field that appears, type Today. This sets up your first filter criterion, showing only dates that come after today's date. After configuring this condition, click OK to apply the filter. You'll see your spreadsheet update immediately, displaying only the rows that meet this first condition. The data is now filtered based on your month column criteria. Now let's add another filter to a different column. Click on the filter icon next to another column. For this example, let's use monthly sales. The filter menu will open up again, giving you access to additional filtering options. Click on Filter by Condition once more, then click the drop-down menu. This time select Greater Than from the list of conditions. In the value field that appears, input a number like 10,000. This sets your second filter to show only rows where the monthly sales exceed 10,000. Click OK to apply this second filter. Your spreadsheet will now update to show only the rows that satisfy both conditions simultaneously. You've now successfully filtered multiple columns in Google Sheets, allowing you to view only the most relevant data based on your specific criteria. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.